sports is becoming very technical. We need a lot of science. We need a lot of understanding around it. And Kenya being the country that is foremost in our continent, we internalize and in our country so that our talent can be nurtured. You know, you remember this good man who this Julius guy who went to YouTube because there was nobody to train him on javelin and all this. So he decided, okay, wacha niende huko kwa internet nijipange. So today, he just came back from the Olympics. And he was almost there, Brian McCoffey. And so are the other athletes. I celebrate all of you. We will make sure that we give recognition and the efforts you make, the sacrifices you make, we will, to the extent possible as government, try to recognize and reward those efforts that you're making. I have given very clear instructions to the ministry on the kind of reward system, Waziri, on how, so that, more young people can understand that there is something in sports and the sports can be a career. And let me also say this, that we have a whole commercial business around these sports. Our business people are sleeping on the job. They are sleeping in business. How can people be looking for Kenyan sports wear and sports gear in Paris and there's nobody to sell? What are you doing? Here in Kenya, kelele tu, tunapigiana kelele hapa. Watu wangekuwa huko Paris wakiuza vitu huko. So I want to encourage more business people, more enterprises, more companies to commercialize our sports, put in the money for us to have that brand, Kenyan, and a brand that will earn more money for our sportsmen and women. I am looking forward to expanding the sports infrastructure. And I want to encourage not just government, but even the private sector. I know, for example, that around this region, there are facilities. Those facilities should be taken to the next level so that we can have more young people access training, sports gear, facilities, assistance, mentorship, as we deal with the menace of doping. We must deal with it firmly, decisively, so that it doesn't undermine our great talent as a country. I have spoken more than I should. But it's because I am truly proud of this team. And thank you very much for doing this for Kenya. Thank you very much for coming this morning. Inaugurate Eldoret City, the city of champions, together with you. They have better feat than you participating in this great celebration. So, asanteni sana. I wish you well. I don't know, you're going to have breakfast. I know we are running short of time because the other event we are already behind schedule. Lakini kidogo. I am told you eat very little. Ama you eat little wakati muna practice. Mukitoka huko munafanya compensation. Ama you eat little wakati muna practice. Mukitoka huko munafanya compensation. So karibuni sana for a quick breakfast so that we can go and do the City of Champions celebration. God bless you. I wish you well.
Your Excellency, sir, before you depart
Okay.
kindly,
Let
we
me-
had the cash presentation awards.
Okay. Let me introduce First Lady, Madam Rachel Ruto.